In this video, we will review Etrade. Etrade Investment Account is a well-established online brokerage that offers a range of investment accounts. This includes stocks and shares ISAs, Roth IRAs and traditional IRAs, and even brokerage accounts. It is known for its robust platform. Etrade provides access to a wide array of investment options, such as mutual funds, ETFs, stocks and bonds. The platform is particularly attractive to active traders due to its real-time trading tools, advanced charting features and research reports. Additionally, Etrade offers commission-free trades on stocks and ETFs, making it a cost-effective choice for frequent traders. For investors looking for more automated solutions, Etrade also provides managed portfolios. This is where they offer diversified investments based on your individual risk preference. While it is a comprehensive tool and resources are catered to experienced investors, beginners may find the platform slightly overwhelming at first. Overall, Etrade is an excellent choice for those who are looking for feature-rich investment platform. Whether you're a hands-off trader or more of a hands-on trader and a long-term investment approach trader, there's always something for you on Etrader. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.